25 years, which is the glory. It's just like, it's working for kids, you know. So stressed by Friday night, you just on the drink then all the whole weekend, you know.
As soon as you get a window.
That's it.
And even to not be like, oh, we're going to sleep. Yeah. Thank you.
And my wife used to work Saturday, so she'd be happy there.
Thank you, Marshall.